Hello everyone, welcome to wissendaily. In this tutorial, I would like to explain you how to find out the squares of the numbers from 50 to 75 in a simple method without any pen or paper. Before learning this, everyone must be aware of the squares until 25. From 1 to 25, you must be aware of the squares of the numbers from 1 to 25. Let's move into the topic. Everyone is aware of 50 square is 2500 and that 51 square 2601. Let's see how we can find out this 51 square in this method. 51 square, as it is a 2-digit number, the square of this will always gives you a 4-digit number. Now divide this 4-digit number into two halves. The first half contains 2 and the second half contains 2. Now compare this 51 with 50. That gives 51 minus 50, 01. Now take this 01 and add it to 25. 25 plus 01. And in the second half, you need to square this 01. That is 01 square. This gives 25 plus 01, that is 26 in the first part, and 01 square, that is 1 squared, that is 01 in the second part. Combining these two gives you the final answer 2601. Let's see another example in this method. 74 square, that is 5476. 74 square, it is a 2-digit number, so square of this will give you a 4-digit number. Now divide this into two halves, 2 apart and 2 apart. Now compare the 74 with 50. That gives 74 minus 50 gives 24. Now add this 24 to 25. 25 is a common thing. That's a constant thing. Only this one will change in this method. 25 plus 24. And in the second part, you need to do a square of this value, 24 square. That gives you 25 plus 24 gives you 49. And 24 square gives you 576. But see, here it contains only 4 digit. We need to get only a 4-digit number. But here the value we are getting is a 5-digit number. Now what we have to do is, we need to add 49 with 576. That is, we need to add only this two values what are colliding here. That is 9 plus 5. We need to add in this manner 49 plus 576. We need to add is 9 and 5. That gives you the final answer. That is 5476. The same method is also applicable for different numbers also. That is from 500 to 525. Now we are seeing for numbers from 50 to 75. This same method is also applicable for the numbers from 500 to 525. Let's see an example for this. 524 square. The square of that will be 274576. Let's see how it came. It is a 3-digit number, so the square of this will always give you a 6-digit number. Add this into two parts, 3 and a 3. Now instead of 50, now we need to compare this 525 with 500, not 50. Just you need to add a 0. Like 525 minus 500 gives 24. Now we need to add this 24 to 250 instead of 25 as in previous method. We need to add this to 250. 250 plus 24. And in the second part, we need to square this 24. That is 24 square. Now it gives an output like 274 and 576. By combining this, we will get the final output as 274576, which is the square of 524. So I am going to summarize as a whole. Now let's see. If A is some number and we need to square that, and we will get a B as a value. Let's see how we will get that. A is square Let's assume that a is a 2-digit number, then it will always give an output as 4-digit value. Divide this into two parts, 2 and 2, and then we need to compare this a with 50. Initially a minus 50 gives you some value as x, then we need to add this x to 25 in the first part, and in the second part we need to square this x value. That gives an output some p and in the first part and some q in the second part. Then finally by combining this we will get this output as b. Let's see for a 3-digit number. If you are squaring a 3-digit number, then it will give an output which is having 6-digit values. Now divide this into two parts, 3 and 3. Now compare this a with 500, that is a minus 500, and by you need to add this x to 250 plus x, and in the second part you need to square this x, then gives an output like some p in the first part and some q in the second part. By combining these two you will get an output as b. That's all. That's the final output. Hope you understand this and it will be helpful for you in your competitive examinations. Thanks for watching.